welcome to another vlog. Tuni hi Hiroshima kachigo no hin. Patin salin VBS loling takitsayin hobung mite hoto isi churches hoto zong so kakimu pi in tuahi nini touring kabol go no hin nikhan Hiroshima and then the next day Tokyo. We are so much looking forward to hin Hiroshima hi bullet train akachigo no hin kahin ho first time bullet train kamu go na. I'm so happy. Aban breakfast order di danjang kathiem che kakipada danjang. So vlog here we'll just follow bolotin and aban che bidham recording ka bolahin. I think it'll be easy for us to understand. So to ahi station ka zone wahin. This is our station and from here we are going to take masapian in local train khat kamat no abana local train so bullet train kamat ki no hin bullet train. Please see how beautiful it is. Okay, please enjoy the vlog. They're here. Detour to Hiroshima station. Yeah.
Oh, for the train? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're just... I'm just sitting here thanking the Lord for you.
It's like the same as all that.
Yes. Drop it. And you take it. Take it.
Where?
This is the train ticket. तो आखिर बुलेट ट्रेन कत्तो नाई लो दो तो आखिर नॉर्मल ट्रेन कत्तो दो उनके जो बाना स्टेशन जो मापा बुलेट ट्रेन का मत दो हिरोशिमा दो Look at Ken.
Yeah,
He's
getting his steps in. His phone was telling me.
Tokyo Shinkansen station का एरिया है क्योंकि ट्रेन स्टेशन है ट्रेन पुनका तो उधर जा जिसे लंच ही कहीं चौथा दियो ट्रेन आनी है दिखा
乗降終了です。ドアクロージン安全よしドアがはいはいします。自由停車場前のは1号車から5号車です。次は三島に停まります。ご乗車のご利用しお乗りご注意ください。プリーズご注意ください。
Nozomi 225 bound for Shin-Osaka via Houston is arriving at track number 4. Please stay behind the yellow line. Non-reserved seats are
Hey, we are in.
お確かめの上、お乗り間違いには十分ご注意ください。この電車はのぞみ号博多行きです。
新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この電車はのぞみ19号博多行きです。この電車の自由席は前より1号車と2号車です。停車駅と到着時刻を
Tuahi station akan kapodog tu tahi. Tensarin Hiroshima kasintawe. Welcome to Hiroshima. Hmm.
He sent you a picture of him in
Ahí también que ahora tenemos que ver.
World War A bomb blast abol namun ahi sige. Second World War A bomb blast abol namun ahi Siya hitay 1945 Second World War A bomb blast abol namun ahi. My heart is so heavy right now, I cannot even express. A deep World Heritage Site, Hiroshima Peace Memorial, as a historical witness that conveys the tragedy of suffering the first atomic bomb in human history, and as a symbol that vows to faithfully seek the abolition of nuclear weapons and everlasting world peace. Genbaku Dome was added to the World Heritage List in accordance with a convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage, World Heritage Convention, December 7, 1996. The explosion of single bomb claimed the lives of over 2 lakh people, and the city area of about 2-kilometer radius was turned into ashes. In order to have this tragic fact known to succeeding generation and to make it a lesson for humankind, the reinforcement work of the ruin has been done by contribution of many people who desire peace within and out of the country. The ruins shall be preserved forever. August 7, 1967, Hiroshima City. Amsterdam is here. So Sharon, like, how developed is Romania? How developed is Romania? Developed.
When you're in the western part of the country, like Oradea, it looks very, very western.
Okay.
That's very developed. But like the areas like around Suceava, just not so much. You can be driving and I did. I love the architecture. I love the windmills.
It's so strange because I mean I was there for 4 or 5 years and I hardly thought of taking any pictures like I'm doing it now. I didn't have a good phone then. So and now I'm like I hardly have any proof that I went. So this time my sisters, they were like, you have to take pictures. Hiroshima National Peace Memorial Hall for the atomic bomb victims. And this is the place. Victims holding a memorial hall asim wahi ilagagal. Peace Memorial Museum. So this is the Peace Memorial Museum for the victims of the bombing.
So they said that 140,000 had died by the end of 1945, which the bomb was dropped in August. Do they get the 200,000 because of people who died as a result?
As a result
Yeah,
of the
radiation poisoning.
radiation.
delivered. They like punch in that it